Hello, hi, and welcome back, my dear friends, on my channel Pretty and Innovative Things. I hope all of you guys are doing fine and everything is so cool at your side. So many best wishes and prayers for all of you. May Almighty keep all of us safe and secure. My dear friends, in this video, you are going to see a very beautiful and amazing collection of crochet curtains, and these are just amazing. If you are trying to find some beautiful designs or ideas to go for your crochet curtains, you are trying to make some for your bedroom, your kitchen, or to gift someone around you, your near and dear ones, then surely you are going to get very beautiful model ideas, design ideas, and even pattern ideas from this video. So while talking about curtains, it is actually one thing that is very important, because we must actually know the benefits of that thing that we are going to make. When we come to curtains, then most homeowners consider curtains as important fixtures. And do you know the main reasons behind this? Because it is important to note that the curtains offer may benefits, so many good things are there, and so many reasons are there to use curtains, to make curtains. And some of the major things are here that are most important. One of them is that curtains are an important thing to regulate the sunlight. At times, direct sunlight could be irritating and may cause discomfort at your home. So when you see that curtains are here on the doors, these help actually regulate the amount of sunlight getting into your home. And you can also close your curtain a bit if you feel the sunlight is too much. And similarly, likewise, you can open them if you want to let more natural light in. So it depends upon your own choices what you want to do. There are the curtains always to help you in the way you are feeling comfortable. And along with that, curtains enhance the beauty of your home. I personally believe it. The look, the outlook, the infrastructure, impression, and all the things change in a different way. It looks so different, so stylish becomes everything. And everyday interior designers put much effort in coming up with different types, colors, shapes, and styles of curtains, and as such you can improve the appearance of your home interior using the right curtains, because it is very important to use the right curtains according to the climate, according to the needs of your house, even according to the rooms and doors and windows you are going to use curtains for. Because if you keep in mind all the things, then the curtain which suits you the best would be actual thing that you are required, because it is not only about decoration, it is also about so many other things. Sometimes you have to manage the sunlight or regulate the sunlight, and also it gives you a decoration. And along with that, sometimes the curtains help keep your room cool. So if you are wondering how curtains could keep your room cool, here is the answer. Because linen curtains play a big role in controlling the temperatures in your home, and they keep your home warm during the cold season and cool during the summer. Because during the summer, the curtains would be actually managing the sunlight, and your room would be cool and in a shadowy form. And when it's winter, during winters you would be enjoying the less freezing environment, because the curtains would be managing things. So along with this, there is also an amazing benefit, and that is preventing the dust. Pollution free is something that we all need in this world of today, because almost all the places in the planet today are polluted. So staying pollution free is not easy, something that we are searching for. So if you want to do it some way, to manage somehow, though it happens that in the countryside areas, rural side areas, there is no pollution like the cities, like the industrial and mechanical lives. There is something simplicity and all the things are free from pollution. But if you are staying somewhere like a very busy area and the markets or industrial areas are around you, then you have to manage by doing such things that are going to prevent you from dust and pollution on the whole. And curtains are important because they prevent dust from getting into your rooms. And when your windows or doors are open, wind containing dust particles enter your home, and everyone knows it. Curtains help gather all the dust, and this means you should wash your curtains regularly. But remember that curtain washing could be difficult for you to do properly, and therefore you should consider getting the services of some expert cleaner as well. But there is a tip also: if you go for crochet curtains and knitwear something, you can wash them easily. These are actually friendly in every way. You can do it by your home without wasting some extra money. And when we talk about curtains, and other important aspects that comes to my mind is that they also improve privacy. Even in the rural areas, I have seen so many people putting curtains or the main doors and the front doors of their houses. This is because sometimes the children go outside and they forget to lock the door and to close the door in a proper way, and it remains open slightly or fully, but it remains sometime, and the people who are going in the street may have a chance to get a look into your house and the people around. So if you don't want it to happen, simply put a curtain on the front door of your house or the main door or the main entrance, and you would be safe, and you would be actually not worrying anymore about these things. So it's the same about your rooms and about all the things. I have seen so many people even use curtains for separating the areas. For example, you are having a big room in your house, like a hall type of a room, and you don't have a drawing room in your house. So simple thing to do to make a room or to convert that room into two is to use curtains, because it's stylish as well as easy to do. You can make a curtain by crochet or by using some fabric or by knitting, and then you can just measure the area to use for the drawing room and for other purposes, and you can simply put the curtains or hang them in between that room, and you can use both sides in a different way, because in this way your guests would be in the drawing room and or the guest room, and the other side of the room would be used for any other purposes. So it's so cool to use curtains. There are so many amazing ideas to use curtains, and everybody actually gets help from these ideas. When we come to improving privacy, this is the main reason most people use curtains, I think, because installing curtains helps prevent people from the outside from seeing the inside of your house, and this is a good way to improve privacy in your home. And there are just some of the reasons curtains have become essential fixtures to homeowners. And to enjoy these advantages, the thing that is very important is that you keep your curtains clean, and it is simply you can do it yourself, or you can simply, if you can't handle, you can hire the services of some cleaning professional. So it's up to your own choices that what you are going for and what you want to do. All I am sharing is to give you beautiful ideas of the curtains and color schemes and so many other things. I hope you are liking this video. I request you to please like my video and share it with others, and keep watching. And if you are for the first time here, please subscribe and press the bell icon